Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on all Instagram posts. If you don't want to see who has liked any post, you don't want to see the total number of likes, I will show you how to do that. Open up the Instagram here, and Instagram tried a bit about hiding the likes. You can see there, as you can see 104k likes. Here you can see 22. I can show you all the likes here. As you can see, if I tap on it, you can see likes and place. These all are the likes and place. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on these three bars in the top right corner and you will land on this settings and privacy. If you scroll down, you will see this option here, how other can interact with you. If you scroll down a bit more, you will see this. What you see, go for this like and share counts, and you can see this toggle hide like and share count. Tap on it, and now you can see on Instagram the number of likes on post and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of like on your own post and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. So if you want to hide like and share, just toggle this off. If you don't want it, just toggle this on, and that's pretty much it. Now if you go back and if you refresh it, and now you will not see the likes in any post here. As you can see, there is no likes shown in any post. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.